I'm a soccer player and I'm in the Business Fellows program. That's like being on two teams at once. At first I thought being a student athlete was going to be difficult, but my professors and coaches have made sure I'm succeeding at both. Elon truly cares about me as an individual and supports my passion for athletics and academics. They make it possible for me to perform at my highest level on the field and also in the classroom. Our mascot is the Phoenix, which is kind of different than a lot of schools, but it works out for us because the Phoenix not only symbolizes the resilient spirit of our athletes, it also reflects the way we constantly reinvent and transform ourselves and our community. Elon is Division I in the Coastal Athletic Association, and when we hosted the CAA soccer tournament, the university community really turned up to support us. It helps that we have amazing facilities for all of sports, including tennis, soccer, baseball, and softball. And the Schar Center is an incredible arena for basketball, volleyball, and a lot of our major campus events, like graduation. Visitors are impressed, which is why we often host conference tournaments, and I personally feel lucky to play in such an amazing place. Our team has an academic advisor who helps coach me in time management and balancing my workload. I'm never overburdened. I'm never rushing from practice to class. Whenever I have a scheduling conflict, like a team trip on the day of a test, my professors are flexible and work with me to find a solution. Because of this, I had the chance to travel to Dubai with the Business Fellows program. I can't imagine a more supportive college environment. I've made friends that I know will be with me for the rest of my life, and I'm a better person and a better player thanks to Elon. Even when I'm on the field and look to the stands, I always see some of my professors and classmates there cheering us on.